Kate Middleton and Prince William are set to say goodbye to their Kensington Palace home in London for the foreseeable future. The Duke and Duchess of Cambridge have relocated more permanently to their country pile. Kate Middleton gives glimpse into home. During video call, read more. Kate Middleton and Prince William, a look at their 2020 highlights. Read more related articles. We use your sign up to provide content in ways you've consented to and to improve our understanding of you. This may include adverts from us and third parties based on our understanding. You can unsubscribe at any time. More info. A source revealed the couple's plan to leave London for the time being. The couple has been spending more time at their country home during the pandemic, an abode they were gifted by the Queen as a wedding present. Anmer Hall, in the village of Anmer, Norfolk, is part of the Queen's beloved Sandringham estate, where the monarch usually spends Christmas. The lavish property underwent a £1.5 million refurbishment to prepare it for the couple, with a new roof, kitchen and conservatory. There was also a tree planting program to afford the then newlyweds privacy. The couple has given the public peeks inside the home, especially during the pandemic, on video calls. The home, which was first erected in the 18th century, features cream bay windows and with sand-colored curtains with scalloped edge trim. The couple appears to have selected a color scheme of pale hues, with pretty muted hints of green and teal colors. William posted an image from his library, with cozy-looked printed cream curtains and a large bookcase against dark brown hue walls. Another room showed the prince sat in front of a large dark-wood fireplace on an olive-green wall. Behind his head was an antique dark-wood clock and a large painting in a gold-gilded frame. Photos of Princess Charlotte issued from the family's living quarters show a warm cream palette. Antique chairs with carved painted wood and gingham patterns add a country cozy feel. The rooms boast a plush cream and white sofa with colorful printed cushions in paisley patterns, potentially sourced by the couple on their tour of India. A palace source told the Mirror, the family is committed to working together to help the country through the next stage of the crisis. Plans are already in place to reach out to a range of charities and businesses, and fortunately they are well versed in the world of video calls now. Another added, once again, the family will be devising ways in which they can best help charities and businesses across the country and aim to give some renewed hope to those who are struggling as we look towards the future without COVID-19. The couple and their 3 children appeared in a photograph taken in the spring at Anmer Hall. The family joined in with the Clap for Carers gesture, which saw Britons take to their streets to applaud those caring for people in need during the virus. Kate will be celebrating her birthday in lockdown in 2 days' time. She is likely to be given a gift by her family. Kate Middleton's birthday present from Prince William last year became a favorite of the Duchess. She has worn the pendant, with their children's initials on, during the last year on a number of occasions.